Tired of chasing down W9 forms and drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the paper and jump into a faster, more secure way to collect taxpayer information using DocuSign. First, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, click on the new button. It usually has a plus icon to start a new envelope. This is where you'll upload your W9 form and specify who needs to fill it out. Now, upload your W9 form. You can either upload a blank PDF version or a W9 template you've created. Make sure the form has fillable fields for all the required information, like name, address, and tax identification number. Next, add the recipient. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to complete the W9 form. You can add multiple recipients if you need to collect forms from several people. Now, it's time to add the fillable fields. Drag and drop the appropriate fields, such as full name, address, EIN or SSN, and signature, onto the W9 form in the correct locations. Assign each field to the recipient you added earlier. This ensures they know exactly where to enter their information. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Then, simply click the Send button. DocuSign will automatically email the W9 form to the recipient for them to fill out and sign electronically. You can easily track the status of the W9 form within DocuSign. You'll see when the recipient has viewed, completed, and signed the form. Once it's done, you'll receive a notification, and a completed, legally binding W9 form will be securely stored in your DocuSign account. And that's it. Using DocuSign makes collecting W9 forms secure, efficient, and compliant.